Day 3 of President Donald Trump's trade war with Canada, Mexico, and China. Trump speaking with the president of Mexico today as the White House is reportedly considering more tariff exemptions. This comes after the Trump administration announced a one-month exemption for automakers. ABC's Perry Russom is in Washington.
A high-stakes call today between President Trump and Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum on day 3 of Trump's trade war with Mexico, Canada, and China. It comes as the White House is reportedly considering more tariff exemptions after giving automakers a one-month escape from his 25% tariff on all goods from Mexico and Canada. Secretary of Commerce Howard Lutnick today says Trump will likely suspend tariffs on most products and services for a month.
A number of industries have reached out to us to ask us for exceptions to the tariffs, but I think the president's been very clear here that he wants the tariffs to apply broadly. He doesn't want to have 500 different industries getting 500 different carve-outs.
ABC's Rachel Scott asking the White House if there could be a tariff exemption specifically for eggs as prices surge.
The president is open to hearing about additional exemptions. He always has open dialogue, and he'll always do, what's right, what he believes is right for the American people.
Trump making a deal with automakers after the CEOs of Ford, Stellantis, and General Motors called the president. But the move is only temporary. Trump putting those tariffs on hold for 1 month.
Reciprocal tariffs will still go into effect on April 2nd.
Trump imposing tariffs on the U.S.'s 3 biggest trading partners, Canada, Mexico, and China, in part blaming all 3 for the fentanyl crisis in the U.S. China's Commerce Secretary today saying there are no winners in a trade war, adding, if the U.S. continues down this misguided path, we will stand firm and see it through to the end. Looking at the stock market, there was a rally after the White House announced that one-month extension on automakers yesterday, but today stock futures are falling as this tariff war continues. Perry Russom, ABC News, Washington.